Hey there, here to talk about banners. You all know that banners are an integral part of street preaching, but they can get really expensive. I've talked to people that have spent over $200 for a banner. So this year we tried to do the kind of investigate, how do you make these banners? How do you make these high quality banners with the vinyl letters that look so great? And what we've come to find is it's not a very expensive process. And for as little as $300, you could buy a commercial machine and start printing your own signs. And so I just wanted to make this video and give this information to street preachers out there that are interested in making their own high quality banners. It's nothing that complicated. And just to start off, I wanted to show, this is the actual cutting machine that I bought right here. And what this enables you to do is you can feed rolls of vinyl into it, and they're basically like rolls of stickers, and it cuts out the letters. And from this, you can cut up to 15 inches wide, and it's an unlimited length. But this allows you to cut vinyl for banners and also vinyl for shirts, so you can make your own shirts. And the last shirt I bought was about $33. Buying shirts online, if you were to buy them through, let's say, jiffyshirts.com, they're as low as like $4 or $5. And then maybe you might have $1 of vinyl on those shirts. So the technology's here, the price is really cheap. Years ago, these things would have been thousands of dollars. And today you can get started making your own banners, your high quality street preaching banners, for as little as probably, $10 or $15 a sign. So we're going to do a video, just the entire process with our first sign. So this will just kind of show you what actually is involved in making your own banner. So I hope you enjoy. I've got the vinyl that's actually been cut through the cutter, and it's got like a razor thin cut between the letters and the actual vinyl. So the next step is to separate the vinyl letters from the excess vinyl. So you can see right now we've got it laid out on our banner. We've got abortion, and then it's going to say is murder. So we've got it really big and bold with some black and red vinyl. So this is how easy it is. And now we're going to just separate the excess vinyl and basically start sticking it on here. The excess vinyl is being removed, and this banner is probably 30 minutes from being finished. But you can just see how easy it is. These vinyl cutters, they just cut the vinyl. It's just like a printer, but instead of printing, it's cutting. So we're gonna get these things done. See, it's taking shape. Just see how easy that is. This is our first one, by the way. So this is, from a novice standpoint, this is our first banner that we've already made. So we just wanted you to see if, in fact, this is something the average person can do. Look at that. This stuff is so cheap. We bought this banner. This is a 2 foot by 4 foot banner. It's sewn on the sides. It's got grommets for $11. And we bought all our materials, our cutter, through a company called US Cutter. And it's so cheap. We were looking at banners online, and there's some people doing a great job, but they're hundreds of dollars. I'm estimating our total cost on this banner is probably going to be less than $20. So $20 and maybe 30 minutes of work. Positioning tape allows you to take the entire word, you tape it, and then the sticky back, you're gonna peel that off the back of the letters and just apply it directly to the sign, and you're finished. So this is the way that you lift up the letters from the sticky back, and it's just like a sticker. So this is going to allow you to actually put the sticky side down all in one chunk. And that's what we're doing right now is it's called repositioning tape, and it's like a masking tape. As soon as we're done with this, what we're going to do is flip it over, and then we're going to pull the backing off the back of the letters, and that will leave like a sticky adhesive part that's going to actually stick to the banner. It's a permanent, weather-resistant sticker, and that's all you have to do. Okay, now we flipped it over. And we've got the letters actually stuck to the banner. What we're going to do is squeegee the letters down so we get good adhesion, and we'll take off the repositioning tape, and the word abortion will be done. So right now we're just squeegeeing down the letters to make sure the letters are real stuck to the sign. This also gets out any bubbles. But you get a one-time deal on it, and what we did is we actually made marks on the banner so we'd know exactly where to position it on the banner. Vinyl right here. It comes in any color. This actually is 12 inches, but this machine will hold up to about 15 inches. So you can do 15 inches and the length is unlimited. So you could do lettering 15 inches high as far as the letters, and as long as your rolls, you could print a 20-foot word with this. There's no limit to it. So it's basically vinyl on the top, and it's got the kind of a sticker backing that you just pull off. So what we do is we're going to load it into the machine here, and then it's going to actually just cut these letters. It's going to cut them just like a printer. Our little software, we've set in the dimensions, and it's pretty easy to use. So we put in the height of the letter, the length that we want it, and we've got our vinyl loaded up in our cutting machine, and we're ready to start cutting. And here it is. It's cutting it down. It's got like a little tiny razor blade. It just cuts into the vinyl, but not so deep that it cuts through the backing. So you can peel it right. Did it turn out? Did we have success? And I'm here to show you, here's how our first banner work finished. 2 foot by 4 foot. You can see, I think it turned out pretty professional for our very, very first try. So you can see that, you know, with just a little bit of time, the equipment's not that expensive. You can start making professional banners of whatever's on your heart, you know, rather than buying just, you know, banners that are already pre-made. So I hope this helps, and can't wait to be putting these posters to good use, or this banner to good use.